Running your inverter indoors is never an option. Carbon monoxide is an odorless gas that can kill you in minutes. So how do you run your inverter in bad weather while keeping you and your family safe? The Champion Storm Shield Extreme Weather Inverter Cover by GenTent is the perfect solution to keep your inverter protected from the elements. The self-attaching design means a simple installation, no tools required. Just strap it, frame it, and cover it. Then safely run your inverter outdoors in up to 110 mile/hour winds, 18 inches of rain per hour, and 20 inches of snow per day. Then add features like RF welded seams, flame retardant vinyl fabric, an electrical panel apron to keep your outlets dry, and a large refueling door so you can easily and quickly refuel without having to remove the cover. And you can see why a Champion Storm Shield is the best option to ensure that you can safely get power during a storm.